The sprinters and the Corcanori Stakes over 6 furlongs. Barry Hill's Royal Applause had been on the go since reappearing at Lingfield in a listed contest on March the 22nd and got his season underway with a handsome victory. He then turned out in the Duke of York International Factors Stakes over the same trip at York on May the 15th, the race before Sir Eric's win in the Yorkshire Cup. And again, he made all to win.
And they've kicked right away. Royal Applause the leader, but about to be tackled by Fahana, who looms up on the far side. Behind them is To the Roof with Diffident. They're followed by Wildwood Flower and Blue Dust to the near side. Just over a furlong to go. Royal Applause still in front. Fahana trying hard to pick him up, followed then by Blue Duster behind them from To the Roof. Royal Applause sticking to his guns well with 100 yards left to go. Fahana can't get to him, and Royal Applause is going to go on and win the Duke of York. Royal Applause goes on to beat Fahana. It's going to be tight for third. Blue Duster on the near side just gets it ahead of To the Roof, Diffident, Averti, and also Danehill Dancer, a blanket just behind her.
So could the same tactics prevail?